Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to create this beautiful rainbow heart cut crease that I'm obsessed with. If you want to learn how to create this eye look, just keep on watching.
What a wonderful world.
So let's go ahead and get things started. I'm going to go in with my eye base from P. Louise in the shade numero 2. It's one of my favorites that I like to use to prep my eyes. So next I'm going to be using the Color for Days palette from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics, starting with the shade Lemon Drop. I'm just going to pack that color onto the first quarter of my lid and blend it out. And again, make sure not to take this color too far. So next I'm going to use the shade Creamsicle next to the yellow shade to start the rainbow blend, just following the same technique that I used for the first shade. Lastly, I'm just going to use the shade Scarlet to finish the first eye as my darkest shade. As you can see, going from lightest to darkest will give you a beautiful rainbow blend. Moving on to the next eye, we're going to start with the shade Sickening on the first quarter of my lid, using the same technique as the first eye. So for the middle shade, we're going to be using the shade Deep Sea, just using the same blending technique to make it as smooth as possible. And lastly, to finish, we're going to take that shade Grape Soda on the last end of the eye to finish the blend. Now we're going to start cutting the crease. Just be sure to have a steady hand and start with a basic cut shape and then fill it out how you see fit. For the heart shape, start with making 2 circle shapes at the end and then just connect them. Then fill them out so it brings it all together. Lastly, I'm going to take this white shade on my lid. Make sure that the concealer is tacky before applying and just pat the shade onto the lid. So now we're moving on to the Rhinestones. I'm going to be using these from BeatsByDeb Cosmetics. First, I'm going to apply eyelash glue onto my cut crease where I want to apply the stones. Just wait for the glue to get tacky, then I'm going to use a pencil to pick up the stones and apply them each one by one. Just keep a steady hand for this, but it's actually really easy. Just take your time. So now that I'm done with both eyes, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera and be right back. So to finish up the look, I'm going to be going back into the shade Scarlet to use for my under eye, for my right eye, and then I'm going to follow that same step using the shade Grape Soda on my left eye. Next, I'm going to take my gel liner from ColourPop in the shade Extra Frosting onto my waterline. It's a really beautiful yellow shade to bring this eye look together. So moving on, I'm going to take my Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit on my lower lashes. Y'all already know this is my favorite mascara of all time, I swear. And finally, I'm just going to take a shimmer in my inner corners to finish this look off. So that pretty much completes this eye look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.